Great afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we're in the beautiful neighborhood of the Marina. We're going to take a property tour of this gorgeous villa named Villa Hannah. It's a 5-bedroom, 6-bath, measuring 4,874 square feet. The asking price is $1,750,000 USD. And let me tell you, sitting here at the staircase, just at the entrance of this beautiful home, you can see no detail has been spared. Like, the stonework is incredible. You got palm trees, you got a little garden, interlocking brick to the garage, but that's just the outside. Wait until you see the inside. Gorgeous, remodeled. So without any further ado, let's get into the video so you can see for yourself. Welcome to Villa Hannah. Just in front of the staircase leading into the home. As you can see to the left, you have parking underground. There's also where the laundry areas. We'll look at that in a little bit. But notice the garden that you have right out front. Creates a peaceful area with shade. And as we enter, even this space here is carefully crafted. Look at the door. This wooden door is hand carved. Beautiful arching. Now this is a great mix of Mexican charm. As you can see, the tiles. The flooring is traditional saltillo tiles. And you see these archways, but they've also done significant upgrades where there's even solar panels, 26 to be exact. So that keeps your energy costs low and you can enjoy the common amenities without any hassle. Now, to my left is the living room, beautifully decorated. You got an AC unit, mini split here. And what I want to point out is the wooden features around the windows. These are all repurposed. So you have a very rustic look, but also combines with the complete ambiance of the area. All right, so just over here is the first bedroom. There's a small set of stairs, be careful. So pretty straightforward. You got a bed, 2 nightstands, a fan, and also AC. This is also where your telecom comes in. This villa has fiber optic, so you have the most fast and reliable internet service that you can get. Just over here. Now, this space right here, like a little nook where you have a green space, that brings in natural light. Just want to point that out. And then again, even all the doors have been carefully hand carved, and these bathrooms have been all upgraded. So full bath over here. This is great for anybody who has a huge family or they love to entertain. You have more than enough space. So up here was the first common area. We could call it a living room. As we proceed towards where the kitchen is, we have a second living space living area. Beautiful, gorgeous artwork. Also, take a look at the wooden beams throughout the property with the clay roof tiles. So we enter the kitchen. Everything is top notch. You got stainless steel appliances. Look at the stonework with the island. Over here you have a dishwasher. Looks like you got two dishwashers. What's this? Nope, this is a refrigerator. And the dishwasher over here. And then you got your dining room area as well. Not to mention this gorgeous pool we'll take a look at shortly. But again, this is great for those who like to entertain. You have more than enough space where everybody can be seated comfortably or have their own area. Over here, got additional storage cabinets. Could be like a little pantry. Now we'll go upstairs and take a look at the 3 bedrooms up here. So I make my way up the stairs, look at the roof. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll take a better look from up top where you can see the chandelier, the wooden fans. They've kept that concept throughout the whole villa. Each room, each bedroom has them as well. Now, this bedroom to the left, very large king-size bed and a beautiful mirror that has somewhat like a driftwood decoration all around it. It's kind of like something that a beaver would make. You got your saloon style doors to the bathroom. Again, full bathroom with these accents with a chandelier. I've never seen a chandelier in a shower. Never thought I'd like it, but it works. Okay. Now just over here, that's the second bedroom, also very large, king size bed. Now this room faces towards the street and you have your own personal terrace as well. This is a very quiet neighborhood. You're very close to the golf course and also the public beach access. It's just down the street. So for those who like to take advantage of or who enjoy golf, this is somewhere that you can, it's within walking distance. You literally cross the street and you're there on the golf course within 5 minutes. Again, this is another bathroom. I love the mixture of old and new. So the cabinetry is repurposed, and then you have the faucets, the sinks, the mirrors, the tiling. So it brings it all together. Just over here is the primary suite. Very large. I missed that step. I did it the first time as well. Hopefully I didn't disrupt the video too much. There is a small step. Don't get caught looking at the rooftop. But again, you got a little nook here that you can use. And then the views, a lot of natural light from all the windows, but you got a view towards the pool. Now over here, not only do you have your walk-in closet, but you have a very large soaker tub. Now that is very uncommon to have tubs over here in Mexico, but they've chosen to install one, so you can enjoy that. And something that I've never seen before, a bed right beside the tub. So maximize your comfort, relaxation. You take a boba bath, you get out, and then you go hang out on the day bed. Over here, it's your walk-in closet. Ample space. Let's see if we get the lights. See other lights. Here we go. So your walk-in closet over here. And then on this side, you got your shower, your more so day-to-day use. Again, you have this vaulted ceiling with a chandelier and dual vanity. Now we'll head downstairs where the last bedroom is located, as well as the laundry facilities. So this is directly where the garage is. So you pull in from the main street, pull into your garage space here. You got your washer and dryer, laundry facility over here. And in this space right here, they got a completely upgraded, brand new water filtration system. So you can drink directly from the tap with this water system. No need to buy those 20-liter jugs. Still can if you like, but not necessary. Over here, you have a small storage area, as we call it here, a bodega. Just over here. And then this staircase will take you directly to the pool area. Now to that bedroom. So the final bedroom. It's on the lower floor. Now for the bedroom that is on the parking floor, there's still a lot of natural light. As you can see, the way it's been designed, it allows for natural light to come in with this window here. And then this, of course, has a ensuite. Recently remodeled as well. Beautiful. Now they got looks like a Wi-Fi amplifier. So this is a concrete home. So a lot of times Wi-Fi gets weak, but there's these boosters, so it allows for consistent internet. All right, just out here, as you can see, is the pool area, multi-level. So just right out off the living room, you have this area, this little nook with day beds you can take advantage of. You can hang out here, enjoy the shade. And then you got this beautiful pool as well. You got a fountain. Head over here. There's another seating area. Notice this granite surface table. Like, if you're someone who loves to entertain, this is definitely the space you can do it with. Imagine having your friends over, family watching the Super Bowl, which should be coming up in the next few weeks. Here you go, you got a couple of refrigerators and a sink. You could cook out here, great barbecues. There's a bathroom over here. You got your grill station over here. And you also have an outdoor shower. Now that concludes our tour today here at Villa Hannah. As a quick recap, this is a 5-bedroom, 6-bath villa measuring 4,842 square feet. The asking price is $1,750,000 USD. And if this is something that you're interested in, you want to see in person or virtually, contact me today, description on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching. Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.